Clean, safe drinking water in the wilderness is non-negotiable. In this video, we explore the top 5 gravity water filters for camping, perfect for backpackers, hikers, and anyone needing reliable portable purification without the hassle of pumps or complicated setups. Let's begin with the PLATYPUS GRAVITYWORKS 4L system, a long-standing favorite among outdoor adventurers. With a 4-liter dirty water bag and a matching clean water reservoir, this system uses a 0.2 micron hollow fiber filter that removes bacteria and protozoa efficiently. The standout feature is its speed. It filters about 1.75 liters per minute, making it ideal for group camping. There's no need to pump, just fill, hang, and let gravity do the work. The system's dual bag setup keeps clean and dirty water separated, and the quick disconnect hose makes refills and cleaning easy. Lightweight, collapsible, and durable, the GRAVITYWORKS is widely regarded as one of the most reliable gravity-fed water filters on the market for backcountry use.
Second on the list is the SAWYER Squeeze water filter paired with the CNOC VECTO bag, a setup that's gained popularity for its versatility. While the SAWYER Squeeze is traditionally a squeeze filter, pairing it with a gravity-compatible bag like the CNOC VECTO turns it into a gravity system. The 0.1 micron absolute filter removes bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics, and is rated to filter up to 1 million gallons. This setup is ultralight, compact, and simple to use, with the added benefit of dual functionality, gravity or squeeze, depending on your needs. This flexibility makes it a favorite among long-distance hikers who prioritize weight savings and filter longevity. Coming in third is the KATADYN BEFREE 3L gravity filter, known for its fast flow rate and low maintenance. This filter uses a 0.1 micron hollow fiber membrane and can process up to 2 liters per minute. The 3-liter reservoir is ideal for solo or duo campers. What makes the BEFREE stand out is its collapsible HydroPack soft bag, which packs down extremely small when not in use. Cleaning the filter is simple. Just shake or swish it in clean water, with no backflushing required. The BEFREE is especially suited for fast and light backpackers who want simplicity, speed, and minimal gear clutter without sacrificing water safety. Fourth on the list is the MSR Guardian Gravity Purifier, a high-end option designed for more demanding environments. This system goes beyond filtration and offers true purification, removing viruses in addition to bacteria, protozoa, and particulates, thanks to its 0.02 micron filter. It also features a self-cleaning system that backflushes automatically as you filter, reducing maintenance in the field. While the flow rate is slower than others, about 0.5 liters per minute, the added virus protection makes it worth the wait, especially for international travel or areas with questionable water sources. Though heavier and pricier, the MSR Guardian is a premium choice for those who value top-tier water safety above all. Rounding out our list is the SIMPURE 6L Gravity Water Filter System, an excellent budget-friendly option with high capacity. Designed with families or group campers in mind, the SIMPURE system includes a 6-liter water bag, a 0.1 micron hollow fiber membrane filter, and a carbon fiber stage for improving taste and odor. It filters up to 5,000 liters at a flow rate of approximately 27 liters per hour. Setup is easy. Just hang the bag and let gravity handle the rest. While it may not be as rugged as the PLATYPUS or MSR, it's an effective and affordable choice for car camping, emergency kits, or casual weekend hikers who want convenience and clean water without a high price tag.